Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove emoji from photo. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how we can remove emoji from photo with Samsung Galaxy phone. For your information, here I'm using Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. So this tutorial is especially for Samsung user. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, we can go to the gallery application. And then we're going to select a photo we would like to remove the emoji from. And for instance, I'm going to remove this emoji from this photo. So we can click on this pencil icon and click on this icon to access the object eraser, and click on this object eraser option, and we want to select the emoji like this. Tap on the emoji since we want to remove the emoji, and click on erase. Okay, and hold on. Right, and now as you can see that the emoji has been removed from this photo, then we can click on done. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove emoji from photo on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.